Welcome to IIHM USEC Protein Conclave. I am Chef Sudipto from IIHM. We will be preparing now a soya alternative, protein alternative soya product, which is called soya biryani. So, here biryani I will be making it on the basis of Hyderabadi style. So, the name of the item is soya biryani. So, making this biryani I require soya chunk. I require some rice, cooked rice, the rice which we have cooked it till it is 3/4 done. I will be requiring some powder spices like cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder. I will be using some garam masala powder, some biryani masala which I have prepared by own, where I have used some whole hot spices like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf and some coriander and cumin powder. I will be requiring some red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, I require some ghee. For the flavor I will be using some coriander leaves and mint leaves. For the enrichment of the biryani I will be using barista browned onion, sliced brown onion. I will require some onion paste, require some grated khoya and some whole hot spices. For the flavor I will be using some rose water, keora water, some attar and saffron. Let it become little hot. So, we will heat oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add some ghee. Then I will add whole hot spices. For that I need some cinnamon, some cardamom, 2-3 cloves, mace and 1 bay leaf. So, I will add all these whole hot spices in the oil and we need to wait till the cardamom start crackling. So, it has started crackling. Now, I will add some onion paste in it. Cook till the raw flavor of onion removes. I will give small quantity of green chili. Now, I will add ginger garlic paste. We will mix it nicely again. Then I will add some powder spices. I will start with Kashmiri red chili powder, small quantity of cumin powder, coriander powder, very small quantity of turmeric and small quantity of red chili powder. I will mix this first and after mixing the powder spices, I will add biryani powder masala. We will add little water. Now, once everything got mixed properly, add some, I will increase the flame and I will add the soya chunk. Again the soya chunk, this need to be soaked it in warm water for some time. After that, we need to squeeze out the water once the soya chunk is soft. Mix it nicely with the masala. I'll give some more water here. Now, at this stage, to incorporate the flavor of biryani in the masala, I will add some flavoring agent. I will give some rose water, few drops of attar, mix it nicely. If required, you can add some water, because the whole mixture should mix nicely and we need little juice to be remain. So, we can at this stage keep it covered for 2 minutes. So, we need to cook it for 2 minutes with the lid. Now, just remove the lid, give a stir. I will add some barista, fried brown onion at this stage. I will give some coriander leaves, mix it nicely. Give a pinch of garam masala powder, biryani masala. Now, I will add the rice, cooked rice. We'll make nice layer, and then on the top I will make a mixture with saffron and other essence with milk. So, I will take little bit of milk, I will add some saffron mixture, few flakes of saffron. We will give few flakes on the top of the rice also, drops of attar, some rose water, and Keora water. Mix the whole mixture nicely, and I will pour this on the rice. I will put some barista on the top. And we will cover the pan, we'll increase the flame at this moment, so that the steam can form. Cover the pan and I will seal it with some atta dough. So, at this stage we need to keep it for 5 minutes on low flame, and then without the flame we need to keep it at least for 20 to 25 minutes in dum, so that the flavor mix properly with all the ingredients and the rice also get flavor of the masala as well as the flavor of biryani. So, let us wait for at least 20 minutes. So, our soya nugget biryani is also ready. Nice.